Welcome back to AgriCropCatalyst. Get ready for the fifth view of our MCQ in Agronomy series. In this season, we'll tackle highly relevant questions. Watch till the end to get complete answer. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support keeps us growing. Let's start. First question. In a stressed condition, osmotic potential in plant increase, decrease, no change, increase then decrease. Decrease. Blue beetle is an important pest of sorghum, sunflower, soybean, chickpea. Sunflower. 1 teragram is equal to dash ton. 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 8. And the correct answer is 10 to the power 6. Next question. Rat tail disease is due to deficiency of nutrient boron, molybdenum, zinc, Fe. Molybdenum. Root density is higher under irrigated, rain-fed, dryland, dry condition. Irrigated. The chief vegetable source of omega-3 fatty acid is soybean, groundnut, rice bran, linseed. Linseed. Number of rice-based cropping pattern in India is 30, 40, 10, 20. 30. How many days required for proper rating of linseed at 34 degrees Celsius temperature? 10 to 12, 8 to 10, 6 to 8, 4 to 6. 4 to 6 days. Sugar beet has the property of salt dilution, salt excretion, salt exclusion, osmoregulation. Osmoregulation. Which erosion is known as shadow of farmers? Splash erosion, sheet erosion, rill erosion, gully erosion. Sheet erosion. Lowest hygroscopicity is shown by the fertilizer urea, ammonium sulfate nitrate, calcium ammonium nitrate, DAP, diammonium phosphate. And the correct answer is diammonium phosphate, DAP. SPAT value of rice crop is 30, 37, 40, 42. 37. Zadok scale is used for water logging, crop logging, water management, wheat management. Crop logging. Him 129 is a variety of maize, sorghum, wheat, barley. Maize. Chiasma formation takes place in diplotin, zygotin, pacitin, leptotin. Diplotin. Which one is not the indicator of sustainability? Profitability, productivity, socially just, value addition. Value addition. The value of sustainable yield index lies between 0 to 1, minus 1 to 1, 0 to 6, 0 to 10. Zero to 1. Dipstick method of developed by IRI, IIRR, CPRI, IISR. CPRI. PFP is given by Lehman and Hartz, Christianson, Singh et al., Gomez. Lehman and Hartz. Instantaneous temperature is measured by maximum thermometer, minimum thermometer, dry bulb thermometer, wet bulb thermometer. Dry bulb thermometer. 1 knot is equal to 1.85 km per hour, 1.15 miles per hour, 0.5 meter per second, both A and B. Both A and B. Manchurian classification of soybean is based on shape of pod, shape of seed, color of seed coat, maturity of period. Color of seed coat. Which hormone is known as phytogenetical hormone? Auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene. Cytokinin. Range of NDVI is 0 to 1, minus 1 to 1, 0 to 6, 0 to 10. Minus 1 to 1. Which one is degraded easily? Cellulose, hemicellulose, protein, fat. Protein. Azervector diazotropicus is used for rice, wheat, sugarcane, cotton. Sugarcane. Pan coefficient for winter season is 0.7, 0.8, 0.6, 0.9. 0.7. For intercropping, length of growing period is less than 75 days, 75 to 140, 140 to 180, more than 180 days. 140 to 180 days. pH of SMP buffer is 5.5, 6.5, 7.5, 8.5. 5.5. IW by CP ratio of cotton is 0.65, 0.7, 0.75, 0.8. 0.75. For urease activity, optimum temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius. (37°C). The pH of 0.01 normal NaOH is 10, 12, 8, 9. 12. Crack cultivation is related with linseed, mustard, groundnut, soybean. Linseed. In post-Green Revolution era, we have experienced increased factor productivity, increased fertility, decreased factor productivity, increased nutrient use efficiency, decreased factor productivity. BC ratio of biofertilizer is 2:1, 1.7, 1:7, 3:1, 7:1. 3:1. Pusa Vishal is a variety of green gram, black gram, chickpea, pigeon pea. Green gram. In sugarcane, jaggery or gur recovery is 20%, 18%, 10%, 15%. 10%. Inflorescence of sugarcane is known as open panicle, arrow, head, A and B both. A and B both. Pusa Ujala, Pusa Tejas is a variety of wheat, barley, sugar, sorghum, maize. Wheat. Iodine number of soybean crop is 170, 180, 160, 140. 140. Octomut Bhavani is a variety of Niger, sunflower, safflower, castor. Niger. Yellowing of leaves in groundnut is due to deficiency of boron, zinc, Fe, sulfur. Fe. Parthum method of sugarcane planting is useful for waterlogged condition, gap filling, seed saving, none. Waterlogged condition. Pusha Ridhi is a variety of onion, cabbage, cauliflower, tomato. Onion. Lucerne is an a annual, perennial, biennial, multennial. Lucerne is a perennial crop. Plants that grow under warm and moist conditions are known as Samophyte, Phanerophyte, Threophyte, Phytrophyte. Long right-tailed distribution is positively skewed, negatively skewed, no skewness, normally skewed. Positively skewed. In garments, enterprise, which of the following central tendencies is used? Mean, median, mode, arithmetic mean. Mode. What will be the SD value when range is given as 6? 1. Which of the following relationship is true about the QD, MD, SD? 10 is to 12 is to 15. This is for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.